From ND to 1D arrays. Say I have an array A. I would like to convert it to a 1D array, i.e. a column vector. But this returns, which is not the same as. I can take the first element of this array to manually convert it to a 1D array. But this requires me to know how many dimensions the original array has, and concatenate 0s when working with higher dimensions. Is there a dimensions-independent way of getting a column or row vector from an arbitrary IND array?
Use np.revel for a 1D view, or np.indarray.flatten for a 1D copy, or np.indarray.flat for an 1D iterator. Note that revel returns a view of a when possible. So modifying B also modifies a. Revel returns a view when the 1D elements are contiguous in memory, but would return a copy if, for example, a were made from slicing another array using a non-unit step size, e.g. A equals x, column 2. If you want a copy rather than a view, use. If you just want an iterator, use np.indarray.flat.
Or, simply,
For a list of array with different size, use following. Output 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
one of the simplest way is to use flatten, like this example. My array it was like this. After using flatten, it's also the solution of errors of this type.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.